What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Keystone TV, and I'm back with another video. Today we're doing the Bmbo wave method, as you can see by the title. And I started recording. The audio was just messed up, so the beginning you weren't really able to see. Now, how the Bmbo method works. So the first step, as I'm going to put the video, the first thing you want to do is comb your hair back. After you comb your hair back, you want to scramble some shea butter all in your hair. And the reason why we're using shea butter is because shea butter is a moisturizing butter, and it's going to give you structure in your hair, that thick filling that is going to be that's going to allow you to control your hair and control the structure of your hair. It's also moisturizing, so it's going to moisturize your hair as well, and that's why I call my method Bmbo. I actually learned this method from Brownie Blend, so if you know the Brownie Blends, shout out to Brownie Blend. Before the video cut off, where I left off was, we're going in today with the most important thing, and that is the hard brush. This is the Royalty shower brush, and you want to go on with this brush for about 15 to 20 minutes. So let's go. This is the secret to getting waves. Whenever you're brushing your hair, you want to make sure to always align and always go in with your crown as much as you can, because that's the root of your hair. So waves are like a droplet of water, right? A droplet of water inside of a pool. Just think about how something would drop inside of a pool and how the waves spread out. It always starts in your crown. That's that little dot that's in the middle. Always align your crown as much as possible while you're brushing. So as we're nearing the end to the first third of our brush session, let me make sure I'm in focus. So as we're nearing the end to the first part of our brush session, I just want to let y'all know this. Make sure your crown is as tight as possible. The crown is one of the most important parts of your hair. After the shea butter and the hard brush, the next most important step to this brush session is the medium brush. One of my favorite medium brushes, that has been one of my favorite medium brushes for a while now, is the Royalty. Again, another 15 to 20 minutes. Let's work. Now that we're done with the 20 minutes with the medium brush, the next part of the brush session consists of the soft brush. Now shout out to Official Drippy Rags for this palm soft brush. This soft brush is amazing. I use this soft brush every brush session, and honestly, now personally, I don't like palm soft brushes. I don't like palm brushes at all for the most part, though this palm brush is something that I can use. Now this next part of the brush is my favorite part, and the reason why you don't moisturize until you get to the last part of the brush session is because the soft brush brushes in all the products correctly. You always want to brush in your products with the soft brush to enhance the lay down, to enhance the shine, to enhance, honestly, the whole picture. Now typically I'll be going in with a moisturizing product or butter. As I've spoken before in the previous video or videos that you've seen in the past, I used to use Poppy Blast's Go Drip. Now I have nothing against Go Drip, I just don't have any on my hands right now. So today we're going to be using strictly oils, feeling like Sir Cruz, and today we're going to be using Sweet Almond Oil. Sweet Almond Oil is an amazing product. It smells good, it leaves you amazing shine. You can use it for a lot of things. You can buy it from your local beauty supply store. your local vitamin shop, or you can just go to simply Walmart. So whatever grocery store you're going to, go to the cooking aisle. You don't want to get your oils from the hair health and beauty aisle. You want to get the cold pressed oil from the cooking aisle. Now we're going to be using about, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Using about this much oil. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, though I have a good amount of oil in my hands, as you can see. And we're using this as our moisturizer today. It's always good to sometimes just use strictly oil just because that's what your hair usually wants. This method is going to be more for our coarse hair textures that look like mine, as well as medium textures. Now for straight hair wavers, you can still use this product. You're just not going to use as much unless your hair is just that much different. There's no straight hair wavers. Your hair is naturally oily, so you don't need to use a lot of oils if you want to use this oil. Now, this oil is going to benefit you. You just don't want to use as much as I'm using or as much as other coarse hair wavers use. You want to use a very small amount of oil so that your hair doesn't become over oiled. Now that we've applied the moisturizing product to our hair, you want to get your soft brush and you don't want to forget your timer. Set your timer for 7 minutes or just use a clock, and make sure you brush in the product for 7 minutes. Okay, now that we're done with the first 7 minutes of the brush session, now it's time for us to go in with our sealant. Now, for our sealant, we're also going to use the shea butter. Now, what most people don't know is that butters are sealants. So, even though that shea butter is moisturizing, it has moisturizing properties and all things of this nature, shea butter is a butter. So, it's a moisturizing sealant. So, we're going to go in with about this much shea butter. And we're going to apply the shea butter with the green. Always start from the crown and go down, and just smooth the shea butter into your hair. After another 7 minutes, we're going to go in with the soft brush. I didn't realize that. Usually I have a moisturizing product. So this isn't the Bmbo. That's hilarious. This isn't the Bmbo. This is really more of a butter moisturizer or butter oil. I guess well, this still is Bmbo because the moisturizer is the oil, so Bmbo. Anyway, we already sealed, so we used our butter, the shea butter. Our moisturizer and our oil was the almond oil, and then our butter again was a shea butter. So now we're going in with, this is our oil. This is why it's Bmbo, because oil goes last. And today we're going to be doing the lay down method using the Wave Essentials. Wave Essentials is a wave company that makes all types of hair products. They sell wave boxes and all types of things. I've used seen in a previous video. And today we have the lay down pad with the red colorway. And today I'm going to show you how to use this. On the lay down pad, it says that there's 4 steps. Place your hand behind the strap of the lay down pad for better use and follow the pattern of your waves. For more shine, add a few drops of any oil of your choice onto plastic side of the lay down pad and evenly distribute it across the surface. Repeat the first step and follow your wave pattern for about 10 minutes or until your waves are laid to your liking. When all is said and done, throw on one of the Wave Essentials do-rags and you're good to go. Today we don't have a Wave Essentials do-rag, so the Wave Essentials, if you're watching this, send me a do-rag so I can follow the fourth step of the method correctly. Thank you. Now, again, like they said, drop some oil, and this is a sealing oil right here. This is black castor oil that evenly distribute. With the lay down, you want to lay down for 7 minutes precisely. So let's go. As you can see how I'm using the lay down pad, you just want to use the lay down pad like how you brush. My personal opinions, I'm gonna have to make a review on this product. Slowly but surely, all the short hairs are starting to lay down on my head, and that's why the lay down pad works so well. If you don't have one of these, you don't need this. This is a very good product to use, and you should buy one. You just don't need this. You can use a chip bag, or you can use a plastic bag. Plastic Ziploc bag always will work. That's how I started. I started with the plastic Ziploc bag, and I would just rub the oil on the plastic Ziploc bag. So if you have a plastic Ziploc bag, go ahead and try one of these. And this isn't only for men. So if there's any females watching this, which there may be one or two, you can use this. If you have long hair, you can use this for your edges. Lay down the baby hairs and things like that. This is not only for men. This is multi-purpose. There's not just one group of people that are able to use this. For any ladies, if you're having problems with any part of your hair, you can also follow this method. As well as if you have long hair, you can follow this method. You're just not going to need to lay the hair down necessarily. You would probably just brush, use the oil, use the butter, and then just fluff, you know? It was a very good brush session, y'all. A very good brush session. Guys, it was Kiso TV. I appreciate you for watching this video. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Comment any videos you want me to do, any videos you would like to see for myself. It doesn't have to be wave related. I really enjoyed this brush session with y'all. I hope this advice helped, and I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace and love.